Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. I was gonna make another video because I have been getting a lot of questions about the S&P 500. I'm currently looking at the SPX, and I actually just told my Patreon. I told my Patreon earlier than obviously everybody from YouTube, but I did want to make a video just so I can tell everybody else. TA wise, I have to call a bottom on on SPY. As of now, I am officially calling a bottom. We officially closed above the 390, which is when the Renko officially closed. Again, this is the instance of every single time we've closed the perfect daily entry on the Renko charts, right? We've actually just had the trigger right now. We actually just had the trigger, and we had the beginning of the next bull bar on July 20th. So we actually just started it. When is this? When is the 20th? Today? Yeah, today. So today's the official start of the next full bull bar. Yesterday we officially closed that bull bar at 390. Again, look at every instance that we've closed a perfect daily entry on the Renko charts. And again, these rallies go for years, right? This one it gave the perfect entry March 26, 2020, rallied for a year and a half, right? Previously, perfect entry August 3rd, 2009. You kept rallying for 6 years before you had any sort of retracement to the downside. But it was consistently up, and then you kept going all the way up until August 2018. So a full 10 years before you actually saw a significant drop, and then another rise and a drop, right? And then before that, perfect entry on December 30th, 2003, and that led to a 4-year rally to the highs. And again, it's all based off of TA right now. I don't care. I could care less about anything else. I think that we have made a pretty clear bottom as of right now. TA, at least for my RMACD and Stoke combo, it's signaling a bottom. And I think that because these rallies can last multiple years, I think that as of right now, we have hit the ultimate bottom, and we're going to keep rallying right now. I think my immediate price target right now is around $420 to $430 for the SPY. Can we continue rallying? 100%. I think we've established the perfect bottom. If not, this will be the very first case where the Renko on the daily is wrong. And I'll tell you guys that right now. This will be the very first time that Renko on the daily is wrong. It's been right every single time since 2003. Every single time it's been right since 2003. I'm not going to ignore it now. And I'm officially calling the bottom on the S&P 500. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.